Namaste, I am Sridhar Banigiri, welcoming you to my channel. Today I felt like sharing the specialty in Bangalore for children's. What specialty is for children's in Bangalore is the great Gurukul which Paramahamsa Nityananda has started. This Gurukul, where it is like any other school, only thing is here in Nityananda Gurukul, Sanatana Hindu Dharma, Adhyatmika Veda Vidyalaya, world's best and oldest education system. What this ensures is creating leaders of tomorrow with temple based curriculum and international GSC syllabus, multiple intelligence learning, conscious based education. With this complete education, children discover Hinduism, learn Vedic scriptures, yoga, puja, homa, etc., achieve their peak possibilities, radiate confidence, focus, and creativity, exhibit extraordinary learning, develop excellent memory and stunning higher order thinking, excel in performing and fine arts. All this, what this small pamphlet shares, I just read it out. What really impressed me about this Gurukul is, and what difference it has with other form of education system which is commonly followed. Here, children are unique. These Gurukul Balasans I have interacted with, or I have seen them very closely, I have observed them very closely. They are no different from other kids in other schools or other English medium or convents or government schools. They are all same. The children are same. The education system is almost similar. With the speciality what I observed with Gurukul kids is they are very extraordinary beings, very extraordinary, because the children, some of the children can read blindfolded. If you watch the videos or if you visit the website, you will find live demonstrations or demonstrations happening about these kids blindfold reading. Friends, this blindfold reading is no joke, because one can immediately skeptically dismiss it is not possible. But personally, my personal inquiry into it, I have seen that the kids can read blindfold not only when they are when you are present there, but also on the medium of internet they can read blindfold. That is what I observed with these kids. And not only that, very lately they have developed extraordinary powers. Swamiji has initiated with them with lot of powers. Definitely they are different kids than the normal kids who are doing with the same contemporary age. The children who are studying in Gurukul are definitely extraordinary, because they are being trained in extraordinary supernatural powers. That supernatural powers was only dream for us in our schooling days. We all read through many books, or we knew that Swami Vivekananda used to tell, by seeing a book, he used to download what is there in the book. You would get to know everything by just looking at a book. You to scan. That's what Paramahamsa, that's what Vivekananda was doing. And here the surprise is what Bhagavan does is he is initiated kids to do that. Many kids, lot of kids are able to do that. They are able to download information through their third eye. They are able to see through their third eye. They are able to body scan and tell the defects a person has in their body. Lot of these things are happening in Gurukul, and Swamiji announced this Vijayadashmi in 2016. He announced that his Gurukul will be free of cost for children who want to come and study there. Something amazing. Earlier they used to charge, Gurukul kids were charged, but Swamiji in this Vijayadashmi day in 2016, he announced that he will give this education for free. And right now, he has given an opportunity for other school childrens who are studying they who are studying normal education. He has given opportunity for the students for 10 days to come there and experience the powers, and that is for free. So over more than 650 700 kids, 650 kids are right now doing the 10-day program. In that, even my daughter is doing, and the course is free. This program, what Bhagwan is doing for kids, is something extraordinary. That extraordinary is for everybody to see how these kids are able to smartly answer people, or they are very sharp. They don't have any shyness. They talk very maturely. My interaction with them has given so much of understanding about how they are trained. This is one of the most gifted places in Bangalore. Bangalore is the most gifted places because this Gurukul is happening, and Bhagwan has offered it for free education. And the reason why Swamiji offered it for free also, he told in the scriptures that in earlier days, in ancient days, where the king's son or a soldier's son or a common man's son, when they were given education from age 7 to age until 14 years or something, they were given education by a guru, and all the kids were treated equally, whether even he is a king's son or a common man's son, an ordinary citizen's son, he was treated equally. And there was no fee structure. It is Swamiji shared in the scriptures. It is written that the guru has to take alms or beg from the society. Then he has to, with that earnings of his alms, he has to educate the children. That is free of cost. This is what the olden days method of education was, and Swamiji is bringing that back. He is reviving that back, and he announced this Vijayadashmi day that he is going to do that same thing, and he is going to offer this education for free. My interaction or my understanding about the students, after closely observing them, they are extraordinary. They will be a great citizen in the future. Because, friends, why I am telling this is, we all are brought up and born and brought up in an excellent education system. English mediums, we have become engineers and doctors, scientists. All of them, they have mastered the art of living a materialistic life with full of materialism. But most of the education system, what is there in the modern day, it does not address the emotional ups and downs which a person goes through. For that, there is no education system right now. In this Gurukul system of education, the children are taught how to handle their emotions, and in a unique way, with a blissful way, they handle it. I have seen that personally. In a very unique way and blissful way, they are excelling in handling themselves. That system has to be revived, and I encourage whoever is watching this video to find out more about Gurukul that Paramahamsa Nityananda is offering. Thank you. Thanks for listening to my video. Nityanandam.